Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you'd like to subscribe, you'd be very welcome. Today I just wanted to show you my new buy. Sorry about the noise in the background, the baby's is sleeping in the other room, so that's just the noise of the white noise machine. Don't turn it off. So this is my new buy. I've just bought these 3 units and I've got them from eBay and they cost £80 for the 3. And I've got them and they've got plenty of room for the dolls and the doll's house. Sorry, that's also Arwen playing up. So what I've got downstairs is I've got my vet's centre, and then I've got a little bit of a hairdressing studio. Then over there I've got my, I don't know if you can see, it is my washing machine and tumble dryer, and then my bathroom. I've got the caravan just over there on the floor. Then we've got the kitchen, we've got the dining room, and we've got the lounge. And as we go upstairs on the next level, we've just got bedrooms. Okay, and then what I've done on the very top is I've got my boxes which I can lift up and down quite easily, and what I'm going to do is furnish them all out. This end one's going to be all my little shops. The next one in will be the school classroom. Then that one in there has got all my Christmas and Halloween and that type of stuff in. And this one here on the end is going to be my music room and my sewing room. And then there is enough room for my Jeep to go back up on top if I want to, and all the vehicles can go up there as well. We've got little boxes which are really strong to put on so that the dolls can stand on them, so that children can stand on them to reach up to the second shelf. But at the moment we've got the bedrooms as they are like that. But what I'm thinking is to make boxes like those ones which will fit in onto the shelves so that I can lift them down so they can have the bedrooms on the floor or up on the shelf if they wish. So I really hope you like the new play centre for the children. I'll just give you a tour how it looks in the rest of the room. So we've just got our play area for our drawings and stuff, and this is the baby's area here, because I've got my niece staying with me at the moment with her baby while she's having work done on our house. And we've got all their toys and books and everything, and then this is their home corner over here. So it's just the home corner and their doll's house with all their princesses in. Okay, we've got a few princesses just up the top, and we've just got some artwork on the walls, and that's it. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.